Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new stage of Extreme Super Battle World. So the new stage is on right now in this Turles DFA, and you can play this stage, stage 44 ESBR, and just tap the challenge. So I made this video is for beginner, new into this game, or even the intermediate, that because this extreme super battle world is not for the new player, because you have to some uh, category of the character that you need to complete this event. And also you can get this beside the dragonstone, you can get battle mastery, and you can exchange this battle mastery with reward like elder kai. And let's tap this extreme super battle road, and this one Inhuman Deeds only. As I said before, you have to a certain character of this Inhuman Deed category tap, and also you can tap this a super tree. I already cleared this event or this super battle road using the Wicked Bloodline category, because they are also Inhuman Deeds, this one Inhuman Deeds character. So if you don't have the, you can also use the other unit like a Broly team and Turles team, and also this Zama's team. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.